Hi, welcome to my channel, Janice channel. Today, I will show you how to save images from browser and how to easily download images from any website. Have you actually have problems using like Chrome and you couldn't really download the images? You need to actually screenshot. For example, now I'm showing you Chrome. Okay, and then I want to actually download these images. When I right click, there's also save image as. You need to actually manually crop the image, save it, and then use a image software to actually crop it further. Okay, screenshot. Basically, it's like Chrome, you need to screenshot it and then crop it. So it's a lot tedious, not friendly. There's no option to actually save the image when I right click the mouse. Okay, when you save as, right, it's actually saving the whole HTML website file. This is not the right thing. You need to just save the images. There's actually a way to fix this problem. I want you to actually go and download this software. Okay, called Firefox. Search for Firefox. Firefox, right? Okay, download this software and install it. This software actually has a function to actually save your images. Okay, go and click the download Firefox. Download and install the software. Okay, download and install the software, and once you install finish, for me I already installed the software. Okay, just close this. I'm going to show you the Chrome. Sorry, it's Firefox. I'm going to show you Firefox. Firefox, right? No, I'm actually now using Firefox. So this Firefox has this function. I click the image, right? And then there's this open image new tab. And then I can actually save the image as. And then I can save this image t-shirt to the directory I want. Okay. So it's very easy. Image, then save image as. T-shirt. So all my images are being saved. It's very easy, straightforward. See, there's save image, there's copy image. You can copy to whichever document, like Word document or PowerPoint document, copy image link, and all this is straightforward. It's easy and friendly. So yeah, I hope this will help you in your work, especially if you're building your website and you need to quickly download images for your website and put in your website. Okay, or for presentation purposes. Hope you like this video, and please click the like button if you like this and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.